What does it take to power a global civilization to connect billions of people across continents? It takes the power of transportation. Whether by land or by sea, humans have always sought to traverse the Earth and move to new locations. The evolution of transportation has brought us from simple canoes to space travel. We sought new forms of power, harnessing the forces of nature to drive us forward. How transportation turned society inside out. How engines and animals powered the rise of civilization. And how the innovations that drive humanity forward made us modern. The fascinating journey of humanity's technological evolution. And this is the story. The tale of human transportation reads like a riveting saga, weaving through epochs and civilizations. Once we rode atop majestic steeds, forging paths through untamed wilderness, our destinies entwined with the rhythmic beat of hooves upon earth. Horses carried us through wars and conquests, voyages of exploration, and the daily rhythms of life. We rode these mighty creatures to conquer challenging terrain and connect communities separated by vast distances. Humans relied on the speed and reliability of horses as their primary mode of transportation. However, as the sunlight illuminated the expansive landscape, stretching horizons presented us with the boundaries of land, introducing us to new vistas we could hardly tread upon. A vast ocean, covering much of the world's surface, limited human steps, urging them to seek out the unknown realms beyond. The need for exploration to all corners of the world beckoned, guiding humanity to create one pivotal invention: the ship. From the remarkable tales of exploration to distant lands by Columbus to the centuries-long eras of colonization and intercontinental trade, ships have undergone remarkable evolution. Sail through turbulent waters and calm seas, and able to withstand rough weather with resilience and grace. Ships have helped us navigate the vastness of the ocean, connecting us across continents and linking us with other communities. For centuries, ships have been humanity's primary means of global trade. They bravely face storms and hurricanes, traverse hazardous routes, and map uncharted territories, representing the boundless possibilities of the open sea, the promise of new horizons, and the unbreakable human spirit. But the story just began. A revolution is rapidly unfolding across the continent. As change demands swift transportation to connect every corner of the landmass, an inevitable revolution emerges from behind the dark clouds. With the roaring of industry that swept through the 18th century, the steam engine was born, a rival of the industrial age, heralded by the chugging of steam engines and the iron might of locomotives. This technology opened the doors to the era of locomotives and steam-powered machines. With astonishing power, trains traversed continents, connecting cities and driving the global economy. Steam-powered trains stitched nations together, shrinking distances and ushering in an era of unprecedented connectivity. The world seemed to shrink as locomotives barreled across continents, conquering time and space with relentless efficiency. They paved the way for an industrial revolution that accelerated technological advancements and unlocked new opportunities previously unimaginable. But humanity's insatiable quest for progress knew no bounds. Soon, the roar of engines fueled by gasoline and diesel echoed through cities and across continents, propelling cars, ships, and airplanes to unprecedented speeds. The world shrank as distances were traversed in record time, bringing people closer together and transforming economies. The transition to fossil fuel-powered engines brought remarkable advancements. Innovation emerged to optimize existing discoveries. Various forms of fuel efficiency and cutting-edge technology have been introduced by humans to sustain the combustion engine ecosystem. And the outcome? Is far superior compared to when the combustion engine was first invented. The invention of the automobile revolutionized transportation, granting individuals newfound freedom to traverse landscapes at their whim. Cars became more than mere machines. They embodied aspirations, status, and the very essence of modernity. However, the laws of nature and physics have reached the ultimate limit of fossil fuel-powered vehicle development. As the wheels of time turned, a growing awareness of environmental impact began to emerge. Calls for cleaner, more sustainable alternatives echoed across the globe, signaling a new chapter in humanity's quest for technological advancement. And thus, a new chapter unfolded in our journey. The electric vehicle era. A marvel of innovation and sustainability. Silent, sleek, and powered by clean energy, electric vehicles represent the dawn of a new age in transportation. The transition from fossil fuel to electric vehicles represents not just a shift in technology, but a profound transformation in our collective mindset. With each passing day, the electric car revolution gains momentum as more automakers embrace the challenge of engineering sustainable mobility solutions. From sleek city cars to rugged off-road adventurers, electric vehicles come in all shapes and sizes, catering to diverse needs and preferences. But the road ahead is not without its challenges. Infrastructure gaps, cost considerations, and consumer hesitancy pose significant hurdles to widespread electric vehicle adoption. Yet, with every charging station erected, every technological breakthrough achieved, and every mind enlightened, we inch closer to a world where electric cars rule the roads. It's a journey fueled not only by the desire for cleaner air and reduced carbon emissions, but a journey of human civilization that seeks by the imperative to safeguard the planet for future generations. As we navigate this ever-changing landscape, one thing remains clear. The journey from horseback riding to electric cars is a testament to the indomitable spirit of human progress. From the ancient trails carved by our ancestors to the cutting-edge highways of tomorrow, each step forward represents a triumph of human ingenuity and a commitment to shaping a better world for all. As we embark on this new chapter in our journey, let us remember the lessons of the past and chart a course towards a brighter tomorrow, where innovation harmonizes with nature and our drive for discovery leads us to new horizons of possibility.